Hello everyone, I am Ayushi on behalf of Law Mantra presenting you the legal news of the day. Man fires round to impress girlfriend at Mumbai pub held. A businessman was arrested on Tuesday for illegally firing shots while his girlfriend was cutting a cake at a pub in Mumbai to impress her. Police also arrested 7 pub staffers for trying to suppress the incident. The accused had told the staff that he would spend rupees 5 lakh if they would let his bodyguard inside with a weapon, police said. Woman dies while trying to stop fight over sauce at eatery. A woman died while trying to stop a fight between her partner and a waiter over a sauce at a Mumbai eatery. The men got into a brawl after the woman partner asked for some sauce and the waiter told him to help himself. The woman died after hitting her head on the floor on being pushed by the waiter. McDonald's, Starbucks in Mumbai fined for plastic ban breach. McDonald's, Burger King and Starbucks are among the companies fined in Mumbai for violating a new statewide ban on a single-use plastic. Around 250 officials wearing a uniform and dubbed the Anti-Plastic Squad have been deployed to carry out inspection across the city. Businessmen and residents face fines ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 or even 3 months in jail for repeat offending. Government rejects survey on India being most dangerous country for women. The National Commission for Women on Tuesday rejected a Thomson Reuters Foundation survey that claimed that India is the most dangerous country in the world for women. The survey of around 550 experts had placed war-torn Syria and Afghanistan after India. It also questioned how countries where women aren't allowed to speak in the public were ranked after India. Judge ordered US government to reunite separate migrant families. A US federal judge has directed the country immigrant agency to reunite migrant families who were separated when they crossed into the country illegally. The government was also ordered to reunite parents with their children aged below 5 within 14 days and with older ones within 30 days. More than 2,300 migrant children have been separated from their parents since May. Indian origin man gets 20-month jail over anti-Muslim tweets. An Indian origin man was sentenced to 20 months in prison in the UK for posting anti-Muslim tweets, including one in which he claimed he wanted to slit Muslim throat. Rodin Chand posted a series of anti-Muslim tweets in the wake of Manchester Arena attack, police said. He was charged with publishing material intended to incite racial hatred. Arrested inside court premises can't be tolerated. Madras High Court. Taking note of an attempted arrest inside a Tripura court, the Madras High Court said arrest inside court premises cannot be tolerated as it was against the Supreme Court guidelines. It incited policemen be sentenced and trained properly in the regard. The Tripura, a murder accused, had appeared in the court to surrender when the police forcibly tried to arrest him. Trees felled in Delhi despite stay by High Court. Construction company NBCC allegedly continued felling trees Delhi despite a stay till July 4. The Delhi High Court on Monday. 10 contractual labour of the construction company were caught axing trees at Sarojini Nagar by locals. The site supervisor, who was taken into custody, claimed he was unaware of the court's order. Time to remind politicians RBI, CBI aren't their puppets, High Court. The Bombay High Court on Tuesday said that has come to remind politicians to not attack and create impression that institute like RBI, ED and CBI are their puppet. The agency like the RBI etc. are also pillars of a democracy, the bench said. The court observation came while hearing a petition filed by NDTV against ED proceedings. Cop Cops abducted over arrest of NGO activist gang rape accused. 3 policemen guarding BJP MP Karya Munda residents were kidnapped by 300 villagers in the retaliation to arrest of 2 leaders of tribal movement. Pathalgadi accused of gang raping 5 NGO activists. Police had conducted a raid to arrest 6 accused, of which only 2 were arrested. The accused revealed they gang raped the activists to teach them a lesson, police said. UP men held for faking own death to implicate wife-in-laws. Mumbai policemen arrested a man from Uttar Pradesh for allegedly faking his own death to falsely implicate his wife and in-laws. He was caught after the police received a tip-off about a man living with a fake identity for the past 2 years. He was holding a grudge against his wife for filing a harassment case against him, police said. Kasol shutdown, Section 144 imposed. An incredible move has been taken by Himachal Pradesh High Court. The Kullu government is ready to seal 48 illegal hotels and restaurants in Kullu, Manali and neighbouring towns like Kasol and Tosh, and 75 properties in Manikaran Valley from 26 June 2018. There are many illegal hotels in the region. There are about 2,000 of hotels in the district, out of which about 1,500 are in alone Manali, and out of these 2,000 of hotels, only 638 are registered in tourism and ex departments. Not only locking down the illegal hotels, but more is there. In addition of locking down of illegitimate hotels and restaurants, the water and electricity connection stopped. The High Court has also instructed the annihilation of unauthorized portion of 92 hotels and restaurants in Manali, which it has identified illegitimate. Section 144 imposed for identified time. Deputy Commissioner Yunus Khan imposed the Section 144 in the region for identified time period for June 25. In addition to it, he has also banned the haulage of weapons in the region for 2 months to make sure the safety of field officers. Authorities are ensuring that the violence which had taken place at the time demolition derived in Kasol on 1st May 2017, in which an insane hotelier purportedly shot an assistant town planner Sahil Balla, would take place again. To ensuring this, Section 144 has been imposed. What is Section 144? Section 144 sanctions a magistrate to forbid the congregation of more than 4 people in an area, and every person of that unlawful gathering can be retained for engaging rioting. The maximum punishment for such unlawful act is to 3 years. Deposit licensed weapons to police station. The Deputy Commissioner has deemed the people to place their licensed weapon to nearby police station in 3 days. He ordered that no person other than security staff and police executing their responsibility would be granted to carry weapons. Petition was filed in public interest in High Court. The petition was filed in public concern in High Court, which consists that a few hotels were illegally running tranquil business while most of the hotels are constructed in rooted land. This brings about the High Court to order the district administration to carry out inquiry to find out the reality. What authorities say? The Deputy Commissioner said that they had asked the owners of all these 48 illegal hotels to leave their property in time, otherwise they will seal them. He said that they are taking all the useful necessary moves to implement court orders, and all the departments have asked to cooperate. Kullu Superintendent of Police said that the police will help the administration to carry out the court orders. They will take all the possible measures to deal with any situation. Thank you. And please subscribe for more such videos.